You searched how to buy shares of Sonaecom SGPS SA. Sonaecom is a Portuguese telecommunications and technology services company listed on Euronext under the ticker SNC.LS, and this clip is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registration, you will usually need to verify your account with a government ID and then add funds to your balance. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker SNC.LS to find the listing. Make sure you select the matching Euronext result to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to check basic company information and review the price chart. Confirm the name and ticker on the page to ensure this is the correct Sonaecom listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and carefully review your order before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed later, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the broker is in the video description if you want to learn more.